This video will demonstrate how to insert a Pyramex Ridgeline Hard Hat suspension. First, turn the hard hat upside down to get a clear vision of the inside of the hard hat. Then, position the suspension over the hard hat with the brow pad facing the front bill. From here, begin inserting the tabs into their corresponding slots. Make sure to push each tab firmly until secure and locked in place. Then, repeat this procedure for each tab until the suspension is fully intact. And that is how you properly insert a Pyramex Ridgeline Hard Hat suspension to ensure your workers are safe and productive. You've come to the right place for reliable safety tips and guidelines you can trust. That's Northern Safety.